And here we have the option table style. So by default, we are using standard. Now for creating new, we'll click here, launch the table style dialog. Now after that, we'll take here new, and we can define the style name. So I want to make a style with the name of table style. And continue. Now we can make changes how the settings we require. So by default, it is coming top and down. You want to change like this up to top. You can make the direction change. I'll keep the same. Next, for cell settings, you can define data setting, header setting, or title settings we can do. First, we'll do the setting for data. In data, if you want to fill any colors, you can come here and you can decide the color if any color is required. Like this, our data sets will become with color. So I'll keep it none here. Next, about the text when you're writing. So how the text will be coming in that data table, you can define. I want to keep it middle center. So whenever I write, my text will become at middle center automatically. Next, the format type is what data or label. We can keep it data, and any margin if you want to left, we can leave the margins. Now go to text. So what is the height of text we want to write? We can define the text height here, and any color of the text you want to decide, you can give that color into the data. Any angle if you want to change, we can specify the angle value. Next, we'll go to borders. So you want to change the border of that your data box, you can do that. Any line type or color type you want to change it, you can also apply the different colors to your lines. Now I'll take a double line for this. Like this I want to display. So that is I have made the setting of our data cells. Now I'll go to header setting. The same way we'll define for header. We'll define some color for header and apply. Or if you need double or single cell, it is in our hand, we can keep it accordingly. Now about text, if you want to change anything, you can show the text color, and same for how the text, where you want to keep it, you can define, and any color you want to fill there, you can fill the color as well. Okay. Next, I'll go for title. Title, I fill some color. So like this, I want to take it. And for text, if you want to make any changes in the height, you can change it. And again, the color you want to specify, you can specify the different color. And again, any border setting you want to change, you can change it from here. So this is how my style is ready. Now you can see we having a style is available. So anytime you want your style, you can come to this, or you can set current, the standard one, or this one. So we can see here what is that current style. So like this, if we need a variety of formats, so we can make a variety of table styles here, and later we can use them. So let's see how we can use this. I'll click OK. When I do OK, you see the table that is coming with the formats that we have given. So this is the main purpose of table style command. So we can make a number of styles there, and whenever we require different kind of styles, we can choose the style type and we can use that format.